Hello everyone, welcome to I Am Bird. I've never even touched this game before, brand new. Made by New Folder Studios. Jesus, that's loud. Made by New Folder Studios. I've mentioned. Oh wow, I'm in an egg. Hang on. Yeah, made by New Folder Studios. I've mentioned them many times, but they've made a bunch of cool games. I'll put them all on screen. But yeah. Oh no, sorry, I can't put them all on screen. Sorry, editing issue. But yeah, made a bunch of games. I Am Cat, I Am Monkey, I Am Bird, which is what we've been playing today. So yeah, maybe the same people I Am Cat and I Am Monkey. And anyway, let's get into this. I'm assuming I'm a little baby bird, so I can't fly yet. I'm in an egg. Hit to get out. Whoa, right. So I'm a bird. Walk like this. Okay. What? I know how to walk. Oh, what's me to? Oh, okay. What's me to follow these? Okay. This is cool, man. I thought they'd all be the same, but they all, even though it's just you as an animal, they all kind of have their own different stories to it. Right, how do I? Okay, just like that. Simple enough. Jump to fly. Whoa. Wait. Oh. It's flying is actually really easy. Okay. What kind of bird am I, by the way? I'm gonna guess I'm like a pigeon or something. Flying is really, really slow. Is that how you fly faster? I don't know. Could I like land in people's houses or something? I feel like that would be pretty funny. What do you want me to land now? Boost fly speed. I don't. Okay. Alright. Oh, I still need to do that. Alright, so. Hey! That is a lot faster. Whee! I'm just gonna fly like that all the time. It's not regular. Oh, shit, nearly fell off the edge there. I need to get used to this flying kind of thing. Shoot pop. Shoot poop, sorry. Wait, no way, I can shoot poop. That's amazing. That's better than the poop mechanic in I Am Monkey. I love that. Kind of hard to control though. I love like the spotty humour of this game. It's just funny. Like, I mean, I am a bird. It's kind of like poop, but just. Oh man, I've got my vanilla ice cream. Come on, let's go. Start this game. This is a sick game, guys. I'm just going to buy every game I've ever studio. I'm literally going to look up games made by New Folder Studios because they make really well games. Like I said, shout out to them. I'd love to collab with them. New Folder Studios, if you want to. I know they want to collab with me. Okay, oh, here you see what I mean? So you know I'm not lying. Try a game. I Am Monkey, got that. I Am Cat, got that. Then what's the other ones? Let me take a look. I'm Security, I have that, but I've never played it on my channel because it is a little bit inappropriate. Guns and guns. Ooh, you can buy guns. So I haven't got any money, but I'll come back when I do. Right, radar, so I haven't played it yet. Right, let's do it. I'm going to take my trusty katana, head off into the roads. Do I have permission to do what I want?
Proceed to the central square.
What I feel like I'm doing something illegal. I think the boost thing's a bit weird. This is how birds normally fly. They don't really fly slowly, do they? Hey, buddy! Fellow bird! Welcome! It's like the elephant. You better not demand me loads of orders. Let's start with a city overview. Reach the highest point.
Ongoing. Address in progress.
Should I drop that?
Report to the main square and look purposeful.
Oh no. Wait, what? Look, let me fly! Let me fly! Oh no. Okay, I'm screwed. You can definitely tell them they're all the same games. Just look at the people.
Maybe later.
That's fine.
Hey! Hey, leave that lady alone, punk.
No, now.
Oh, what is this? GTA? Why have they got ratings? So I've got 2 stars. What? This is literally the bird version of GTA, guys. What? A police officer with a missile? This is definitely GTA. 100%.
LOL. Where's the exit?
You guys can't. These guys are way worse than the
Flight risk on ground. Driving brake requires shoot.
Why is there so many of them? I can pick up one person.
Eyes on fire.
It's my window.
This game got really intense. Sorry. How is this 2 stars, by the way? Just kill me. Oh god, Jesus! What? Guys, that got really, really intense. Really, really quickly. What on earth happens? I pooped on one person and just all of a sudden got attacked by a million. I want to fly away, but I couldn't. It wouldn't work. Fine, let me go do this stupid mission. I want to go over there. I pooped on one person. one person. This game is absolutely insane. And that's what birds do, not human. You see that? Like, do you see that though? It shocked me because how many police officers came in at once. I thought they were waiting for me. A pooping one person. And also, if you think about it, I was doing a good deed because he was being mean to some
Enforcement
girl.
light.
He was pooping on some.
In 30
he was
seconds,
twerking on
the
some girl.
speech begins. All
I
citizens
gotta get used to
of the
this
square
flying.
should
Oh, where's
listen
on to it?
cooperating.
What? Down there again? What? What do you want from me, bird? I'm just sort my headset out, it's annoying me. Right. Come on, Jeremy. Welcome.
The mayor is speaking
Start. I
now.
don't know why I'm reading this.
Proceed to the central square at once.
I don't know what kind
Tardiness
of
earns a stern nod.
There we go. Okay. Can I just say though, what kind of night in the Rosen bus like creepy is it? Am I the only bird in the city? Except for that guy as well. There's no other birds. Yeah, but what kind of like thing is this? No, what's the word? Like end of the world cyclone thing. Oh, so this is literally like GTA. So if you go for the name Need for Speed, it's basically where it gives not. Is it anything else? I don't know. I don't know if it's. Oh, that's it. Yeah, money. Okay. So I don't. Why am I playing? There you go. I don't know if it's Need for Speed, but there's a game where you have to get to crimes like this. Yeah, this looks like a crime.
Catch my drift.
Oh no, Spider-Man. That's it. Oh my God!
Memorize this angle.
Not.
Catch these hands,
Come on, I'll save
pigeon.
you.
Yeah, goblin,
No,
go on.
Shoot, feather missile.
Oh my God! I just grabbed her. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do. I'm so sorry. I just locked it up. I'm sorry. Well, I just tried to save my friend, so I'm flying up here. I better not bring out like helicopters for me. This game is so much fun. No one as much as I expected it to be. This city is mad. It looks really kind. It looks nice. But look, I have drones. So ultimately, there's no one there. Oh God, they're literally shooting at me. I just got to save my friend. Oh my God, I killed her. All I want to do was save my friend. So that's why there's no birds in this city. See? Oh, I have to hold on to it. I thought we wanted to fly away with you. Free yourself, birds! So that's why there's no birds in this city. They killed them all. These people are psychos. Absolute madmen they are. So this is how you hide yourself from here. Wait, maybe not. Absolute psychos in the city. So it's literally just a bird version of GTA. This GTA as a bird and a VR. I mean, this game is just absolutely mad, isn't it? Like nine police officers, four police cars, and like 8 helicopters. No helicopters, but 9 police officers and 4 cars just come out of nowhere for doing one thing, one good deed. Great job. Now visit a city landmark. This dude's exactly like the elephant. Go to the oldest bridge. No, I'm not having a laugh though. This guy is exactly like the elephant, just barking orders at me, left, right, centre. It's literally the bird version of the elephant. What happens if I attack a random person if I just land?
That was okay.
Yeah, I'm definitely getting a star rating for that. This is my objective. Yep, now I'm gonna get out of here. I wonder what happens if we try and take on the police.
Heads up.
Surely we just fly. Oh my God, taking her away. Oh my God, I love this game so much. If I drop her, oh my God, with snipers! Jeez, it's not that big of a deal. What kind of it is? I'm taking the woman 4,000 feet in the air. No way! Oh, I love this game so much. Look at this guy speedwalk and like get myself out of here. Oh, so yeah, so I was right about that hype earlier. You can hide yourself because you can hide yourself. You got to wait till you hit the ground and fly again. I can hide here. What if they see me going there? Okay, I want to try and get a 5-star rating.
Ground that bird.
Okay, right, just go get in there. I want to try and get a 5-star rating.
Walking away
Call
from chest
911.
like fire.
I love how you can just take people in the air.
Enough!
Take you up, boy. I love. Look, they literally have snipers. I'm just thinking as high as I possibly can. It's true. I did that earlier. Not that way. How are we hitting them? Skills. I love how you can do that. Just take them in the air. Okay, surely he's dead. Oh, we hit all the way to the ground as well. I'm gonna try and land on you. Okay. Keep missing. This game is so much fun. What if I drop in the ocean? Guys, I just realised I thought they were in the wrong, but I just realised I'm the most criminal bird to ever exist. See ya. Right, I'm getting a 5-star rating. Screw doing the objectives. This is exactly like the other. I'm gonna admit, I thought this game was really rubbish because the adverts looked awful. This game, I'm gonna tell you, I was skeptical about buying it. I'm gonna be honest. This game was way funner than Fire Monkey. They made it look really bad. Only it's opposite. Right, I'm taking this man out.
Crossing streets like I have plot armor.
Got armor. Why do you sound like that? What if I hide in here? Does it literally just if you see me go? Oh, so that's if you hide away from them and they can't see you, like at the top of a high building or in a dumpster or something, then your rating goes down. I want my rating to go 5 stars. Police officer, take me straight out.
Enforce. I'll forget later.
Guys, this game is so awesome. They didn't put any of this, but I mean, I guess it's good because when I buy it, this is a surprise. But they didn't put any of this bit in the listing when I bought it. You know, in the adverts. I want to poop on something, but you can't poop while flying. Literally what birds do, so I don't know why. So many
Windows
police
make
officers.
good. Return to sender.
Come on, where's my 5-star rating? I'm just taking everyone out. What if I just sit on top of the car? No.
Pressure on target.
Should I just sit on a police car? There you go, just sitting on this. Can't get me now, can you guys? Hi, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? I don't know, it's just the man just crossed the road, Jesus. Oh, can't go. I can't get up, I'm just stuck. Ground is stuck. Get me out of here! You straight up. Guys, this game is absolutely incredible. Like I said, I didn't put
Feather
any
touch.
thing. This is so cool. You can be wanted. You can be a wanted criminal. Oh, money! So you can get money by doing tasks, you're also just finding it around the map.
Over here.
I want to try and poop on somebody again, that's fun. We didn't do anything, it's just
Feel short. Catch me if you can.
alright, there's a crime over there, I need to get a bird again. See, I'm a good and bad person. Bird. So why can't I fly? Do I have to be in the ground? Shit, that's good, eh? There's 3 of them, I can't really help in a sense, not. I can't really help the birds. Jesus, I can't even. Jesus!
Back up. Give him air.
I'm so dizzy, I just spun around loads of times trying to get it because I was boost. How is this hitting above and just grabbing his foot? Oh god, he still sees me. Let's be free, my friends! From these awful humans.
Gravity 1, forehead 0.
I was like, New Folder Games is by far my favourite studio of all time. Any kind of game.
Now.
By far my favourite studio of games. It's just absolutely amazing. I'm sorry to get 3-star rating. Click those wings for 5 stars.
Time just winked. Did you see?
I probably need to do more than just fly into people to get a high rating. What's this?
Re-engage on mark.
Yeah, I don't even know. I can't pick it up. Ah!
Cover.
No!
Pressure on target. Heads down. Crouch.
Get me out! The poor bird.
Chirp and swerve.
I want to poop. I just never what. mid-air on someone's heads. Right, I'm gonna go to a really high building. Oh, what? You look like he's carrying something. Ah, got it. Puddle. Ha! Car ain't so clean now, is it, buddy? Oh, here we go, 4-star rating. Getting there. Surely at 5 stars would be like they're focusing more on trying to catch one bird and we can have them put them pooping everywhere than actually just How short was bird? I would run. I mean, how do you think see all the police shoot everything all shooting around? These people. I've seen that orange van before. Car is clean now. I feel like I'm cooked. No. God needs to save my soul. No.
Target acquired. Yeah. We got down.
No, let me out. Oh, they killed me. Oh, that was hard though. 4 stars is really difficult to escape. Very, very difficult. This is such a fun game. Right, I got some money now. I got some moolah, so let me buy some weapons. I'm guessing that makes the game even funner. Right, I can't even afford anything. What should I save up for? So I can't afford anything at the moment. Should I save up for something really good? Well, I can afford some of these weapons. I want to get like a really good gun. I'm gonna save up for 2,700, but it's a lot. But I'm gonna do some tasks and get that rifle right there. That's what I'm saving up for.
Compliance requested. 30 seconds remaining. Relocate to the main square immediately. Dramatic
Right then.
size allowed.
Okay. So I just need to do loads of tasks. I forgot what task I wanted to do. There we go. Right. I'm gonna try and not get a 5-star wanted rating like a GTA. Time to practice flying skills. Fly through a container. Seems pretty hard, but yeah, what Jeremy,
Ongoing.
get out of my way.
Address in progress.
Hopefully no one tries to shoot me. I haven't actually done anything wrong. I mean, there is police cars about, but I just realised there's multiple Jeremys. What? I thought there was only one. I'm gonna fly slowly through this container. That wasn't even slowly, did it? That was actually really easy. Right, so it turns out I can just go to any Jeremy because there's loads of them. Oh no, maybe it is just that Jeremy. I'm just gonna keep going to the one that's out. Okay, I can't even fly. There we go. I need to get used to this flying. Oh wait, I want to take her phone out around. I think that'd be really funny.
Hold on, it's a bit noisy.
Hold on, it's a bit noisy. Oh, this. Imagine you're on the phone to this person and you're talking, she's like, hold on, it's a bit noisy. Oh, that's fine, love. And then all of a sudden you just hear gunshots and poop. Oh, get out of here, you rat. I'm like, what's going on over there?
Incoming. Duck, duck, duck.
Right, I told myself I wasn't going to get past on it.
And no.
I'm getting a higher rating accidentally and I don't put. Right, let me go over to... Where did you want me to go again? No idea. Come on, where do you want me to go? Don't... Stop throwing things at me, I'm sorry. I apologise. Here we go. This will do. Hi, buddy. Return when you clear out your wanted level. Oh, I forgot what you... Wait, what? You want to clear out your wanted level to go there? Okay, fine. This Jeremy doesn't appreciate the bad boy like me. Fine, right, I'll hide somewhere, I guess. Hide in here. But even next to me. I tried that earlier. It doesn't even let you hide there, it says you can. I'm too fat or something to fit in there. Oh. Come on, let me fly. Come on, let me do it. Come on! I can't even fly. There we go, right. Where do I hide to get out my wanted level? Stop shoot at me. It's not even so good at shooting. I'm a flying bird and they can still do it. Where am I going to? I don't know what that way is. Come on, where do I hide? Somewhere. I'll hide anywhere but right in the open. Where does it want to go? There we go, something to hide. Here we go. Just I want you to go down so I can please Jeremy. Right, I'm within the next 20 minutes just trying to get some
We got
money
outbirded!
so I can get
Again!
so I can get something. But this game reminds me of a lot of games. Reminds me of Spider-Man with the wanted, reminds me of GTA with the wanted level, Need for Speed when the people, the police, you know, when you get caught. Reminds me of Spider-Man. Yeah. I know you've been detected by local authorities. You'd better hide. So it's gonna. What? Alright, so basically it's gonna teach me how to take cover in the hide zone. But I already did that. That's ridiculous. I hate how it says local authorities and they just get like the entire country swatted. It's not just local, is it? And also, they just told me I need to get rid of my wanted level. Now they want to be back. But what happens if I literally just go to the police station? Lock me up. Sorry, I did something wrong. How is there a hide thing? Literally right next to the Oh, I can afford it already. How's there a hide thing? Am I waiting? How's there a hide thing? What? It's a hide thing literally right next to the police station. Like, are you daft? Okay, how do I not see it? I mean, it's just Stormy flying into it. Are they stupid? Right here, guys. I'm right here. It's not that hard to
Pigeon was adamant. Deny it.
On me, push and fire.
Surgeon's here.
I still
Fall
don't know
back.
where I am. Oh my god, you're so stupid. Right, I need to get rid of my water level. I know where I just did. Okay, please don't want me again. I need to go to Jeremy again. Please him. Just to get some moolah. I'm stuck. Of course I am. But it's so hard to fly out of these things. I hate starting to fly. It's really difficult. I'm probably just doing it wrong. There we go.
Walking away from my calves filed a union.
Oh, God's sake, I just done it again. I can't help but hit people, and when I do, it gives me a wanted level just for hitting one person. If it was an accident. Oh, there we go. Freeze up. I gotta stop this addiction. Hide. Not mind my own business, not get in people's way, so I can get some moolah, so then not done. No! Flying is so hard! Okay, well, now I'm dead. I'm in water. Birds can't survive water. For God's sake, this gets frustrating, the flying is yours. Right. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. It's free. I don't want that now, but I do. Right. Jeremy, what do you want? What's that say? I'll just read in a minute. Nope. Alright, Jeremy! Jeremy! For God's sake, Jeremy.
Enforcement light.
Oh, a phone.
In 30 seconds, the speech begins. All citizens to the square. Shoelaces cooperating.
What was that? All citizens to the square, shoelaces cooperating. I don't know. Luckily, I am a citizen, so I can do whatever I want without having to listen to the government. Right, what do you want, Jeremy? Final task, enjoy the sunset view. Is that literally it? Reach like, no, surely that's not the entire game. I mean, Iron Monkey was short because they're going to add more to it, but surely they didn't release the game when they have added this
The
much.
speech has begun.
Where's I want to go? I just don't
Central
know where.
Square without delay.
Back down there. What? Sometimes makes. Said the game's broke. Please don't tell me this is the final task. Hopefully it means it's like a new level or something. Please don't tell me this is the final task. Enjoy the sunset view. Oh, enjoy the sunset view. Light. Okay, I didn't read this to what I wanted to say. So let's just go to the lighthouse. Oh, I see. So he keeps saying more stuff and I'm walking away. That's why it's not letting me go. I see. Right. That's 750 minutes. That's a lot of money. I could probably afford it already, but I might as well just do this task. It better not be the last one. Otherwise I will not be happy. It did say last task, but hopefully it goes to a new level or something. Better level, I don't know. But this game is so much cooler than the other two. It's not, I wouldn't say it's cooler than the other two, but, I mean it is, but I would say it's like, I would say it's just, yeah, like in a different way. That's why I like it. Because obviously there's people all about. But yeah, so what I'm saying is it reminds me of GTA because of the wanted rating. It reminds me of Need for Speed because of the police and like how they speak to each other and that. It reminds me of Spider-Man because the objectives you have to get to like these. And also just because of the police and you're going about, yeah, it's really cool. Right, what do you want? So I guess that's the last task of the main thing. You can go around and do different tasks. That's cool. We don't like fun. Get rid of balloons. Oh. I think that's a bit mean. Okay, so I guess basically, I've accepted the task now. So I guess basically, there's loads of different tasks you can do. This really reminds me of Spider-Man a lot. Right, well let me get what I desire. Ooh, sweet baby Jesus. It's really big, but it doesn't. It shoots kind of underwhelming. It's far though. God, who needs a sniper when you got this thing? I guess I can't really aim it well. Is there no way I can stall it? Because I don't want to have to fly with one arm. It's not going to be easy. How do I fly and hold this at the same time? Can I seriously not do that? Can I not fly and hold it at the same time? That's ridiculous. Oh really? That got me a 120? People just find a reason to hate the birds these days. I've got a gun now, so. Wait. Oh, we got money.
Stop filming and move!
Filming? I'm not filming. Oh, I am. YouTube. How do you know? Wait, what? You can shoot the cars with both.
I am not paid for this.
Okay, so surely it's easy to get a 5-star point rate. I mean, annoyingly they can't fly away. It's a lot easier to just shoot. And I can get collected the moon. And they drop their weapons. Oh my god, who's the bio and just get hit. There's so many.
No fly list.
Down.
Did that bird just shoot?
Okay, that's gonna be really difficult. It's because I can't fly with both of them at the same time, with even one gun in my hand. That is not very good, to be honest. How can you fly with a Persian in hand but not one of these? Well, I got 500, so I might as well buy something cheap. There you go, I can afford the dynamite. There you go, that'll do. They better make me fly with this thing. If I can't fly with dynamite, then it's absurd. Can I get this or what? I don't know to light already. What? I'm getting ready. Go on, get me some.
Compliance
Maybe you
requested.
could fly with
30
a gun,
seconds
but
remaining.
not like.
Relocate to the main square
What was it?
immediately. Dramatic size allowed.
There we go. Only annoying thing, you can't fly fast because if I hit the trigger, then this would go off. I want to get a 5-star wanted rate with the gun in a minute. Oh, that did not go as fast as I wanted it to. I didn't even do anything.
The
Right, we'll go back
mayor
up
is
and get
speaking
my gun.
Proceed to the central square at once. Tardiness earns a stern
Ooh, shotgun. I'm going to save up for that next. I don't know how to make one really long video or a series in this game. Probably going to do both, just a series of long videos. I can fly with it, so it's just a bit stupid. But I've got to try and stay in the air, otherwise it's all down. Okay, this game's a lot of fun. Oh no, if I go on the ground,
Don't let the fire drop like a stone.
right, 5-star walk rate. I can't fly high.
This way.
I can't fly high or fast. Well, I can fly high, but I can't fly fast. I'm also can't fly high, that's it. Down the chute.
Inside now.
Surely this is raising my water. Just run into something.
Powered by fear and bad decisions.
But yeah, one of my favourite parts of this
downloaded
game
the
is the fact that you, not just this game, but every game they've got 4 stars already. Jesus.
You are
Gun
not
run.
That
One of my favourite parts of this game is I absolutely love the characters.
Second Amendment.
The character design is the same as all of them, actually. So take down the police. shoot you for just trying to attack you with everyone else. Just do the top, you know? Seriously, I've got to hold my right trigger to shoot or both triggers to go far. I can't do both at the same time.
Cover! Find cover!
I'm definitely learning more than this game than I was yet. Jesus! Okay, right, this is definitely other guys. I've never seen those guys before. They're new characters. Do you know what I mean? Like, if you get to a certain level, it's new people you've never seen before. That was really fun though. I survived a long time. Right, here we are. Can't even afford anything. 330. Oh, no, don't want to buy a bit of cash. If for 82p. That's rubbish. 2500 now. Yeah, but that was really fun. I'm probably not going to end the video, honestly. I don't want to. Some of these weapons are really cool, but what I was doing just then is probably not the most efficient way to get money. I really want the sniper, but it's a lot of money. So next I'm going to buy the shotgun. But to do that, I'm going to go and do some more tasks so I can actually get the shotgun. And then I'm going to end the video. So I'm going to get the shotgun, have some fun with it.
In 30 seconds, the speech begins.
A house fire broke out. Help put it out. Extinguish the fires. Okay, so where are the fires? That's the question. I'm going to try and actually be a good little thing now. You know, get some money instead of just. Oh yeah, I told it all. Die. Okay, right, where's the house fires? Because I don't see any house fires. Like anywhere.
Attention, event underway. Present yourself to the main
like
square. Applauding
rodents.
on beat.
I
Appreciate.
want to hit that person, but I can't because I can't get
Mark
hold
my
of it.
worries. Stride as smooth as no destination.
Oh, I can just hear people talking as I walk
Left,
past.
right.
Where's the house fires? Because I don't see any anywhere at all. I just scoop everyone until I hit someone. For God's sake. What do you scoop, love? That's what birds do, isn't it?
Paper towel.
I love bringing them up really hard. I've known all these houses. They said they exist, but I don't think they do. We hide everywhere, so we go to. We climb over there and just walk
Target tucked away. Move on.
Don't worry,
Stop
don't
that.
worry. Hey, don't kill me.
No fly list. You. Bad bird bunk.
See ya. Right, okay. Oh, prison. Hey, don't shoot me. What did I do wrong?
Let the noise be
I just helped an innocent bird. What did I do wrong? I swear people just hate birds. They just kill me for no reason, just to annoy me. What kind of bird am I? I'm in sick. I'm gonna get some bird.
Call it. Stand easy.
So do they shoot me the second they see me? Where's the house fires on about? I don't know. I'm just gonna go to the new list. Right, what do you want? Oh no, that's just a pill. What would really work? Okay, what about you? The rapper bird. They all have different like jobs or ethnicities. I don't know. Rapper bird, what do you want? We don't like fun. Give her the balloons. Yeah, 1,000 for this. Just halfway to the shotgun, guys. Put the balloons. Alrighty then. Hey! I want to harass him.
Step steady.
But I can't because I'll get a race of starvation. But then again, he's literally, you see him, he's graffiti on the wall. Right, balloon, where are they? We don't have fun.
Mark it down.
Hi guys, how you doing? I feel bad. I so want to just poke
One
him
sec.
in the butt with my sharp
That's
talons.
Almost there.
Nope. I'm out.
Okay, have I got a rating for popping a balloon? I told you, people just do anything to annoy you. So just do anything to arrest me. I popped a balloon. There wouldn't be any birds left if people did this.
Deny airspace
They're
now.
detained and locked up.
Do not crouch. Shoot from cover.
There's only one more.
Traffic like a Consider this. My shoes.
Balloons, where are they? Come on. Don't hide, there you are. Quest complete. All I need to do is like another couple of quests and done. I've got a shotgun, I'm going to mess about with it at the end of the video because this is very long, but I don't really care. It's a very fun game, so I don't care how long it is. Athlete bird, what do you want? Oh yeah, just clear my star rating. I hate when you
Threat minimal.
Oh,
Back to
mine
normal.
just did it. It's going to go off behind me over here. Test your bowling skills. Ooh, that sounded that. Knock down the pins. I already did that accidentally earlier. Right, knock down the pins, I will. So, what pins? Like, I'm getting all these. I'm not 100% sure. I bet you they're going to come after me. Does it mean? Oh no, yeah, this is these. I missed.
Step. Step.
Oh no, I did miss. Is it that then? Is that a pin? Maybe it means an actual
Pretending
ball.
not to performance. Sidewalks behaving
I got some
nice.
money, but I don't know how. Just like
Easy route.
where are the pins? Does it mean an actual bowling pin or just like?
Stride as smooth as
I don't know. Come on, where are the pins? Is that no? It's just don't know what that is.
If it's urgent, clap twice. I'm on a call.
Sorry about that, though. It's just, I don't know what to do there. Where are the pins then? I can't even remember them. We need to get rid of my star rating anyway, don't I? So to actually get the quest.
Target airborne. Walk back lock. Take the shot.
Bill Skyrim.
Lock. Deal.
Log it and disperse.
Let me do an easier task because some of them are really hard. Come on, it's another task, but it's not really hard. Do again. That's a superhero one I can do. What was the superhero one again? The house one. Yeah, okay. House Heartbreaker. How put it out. So I don't know where it actually is. Do I have to find it? Right. Oh, it's because I didn't even accept it last time. Oh, I'm a silly cow. Half the time I don't even accept missions, it tells you where everything is. That's why, like you probably told me where the pins was, I just didn't see it because I probably didn't sit and wait long enough to accept the mission. I hate how I make that sound. The birds really make that sound, it must be annoying.
Good piece.
Shut up! Oh, I talked to the oh jeez, there's a house. If I ever start rating for this, I swear to God, I'm literally helping out. These police can't do anything about the fire. I'm doing something, they'll probably arrest me. Let's see if actually I judge it too early. You better not arrest me for it. I didn't do anything wrong. Come on, see fire. I mean, I can probably afford the shotgun after this. Oh, hang on. What if I hit a 6 in with the water? Hit a 6 in with the water or no? I want to. Wait, go that side. Oh, it will! It will! I suppose someone to walk down there.
Attention citizens. The mayor speaks shortly in the central square. Attendance is strongly encouraged.
How much money have I got? Can I afford a gun? Let me check. What if I knock out one of these ones? How does that give me a 4-star rating already? I think it normally gives me 2. I've never got a 1-star rating. It always gives you a 2 first. How have I died? I was right there. I was literally just about to escape in. They killed me. You're joking. What's in here? How much money have I got? 3,000. Can I afford it? Yes, I can. Gun. So when I said I couldn't fly with the other gun, I was just being a little stupid. I can't fly. How? Oh, I'm excited for this. It's a shotgun.
Stride loosens the knots.
This is one shot. Straight to the heads. This is one shot. I love this gun better than the other ones. They're just one shot. And it was cheap. Okay, I probably could just went harder to aim, but literally one shot to everything.
Safe backstop. Shoot.
I can definitely get a 5-star rating with it. video here, but that was a lot of fun. I really like this game. Like I said, they made it seem like it was probably my favourite game I've got, and then one of them, and they made it seem so much worse in the video. So I was like, so I was a bit skeptical on getting it, but it's way better than you'd think. They made it seem worse than it actually is. Normally it's the other way around. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Oh, I'm flying, and I'll see you all in my next one.